Have you ever wondered how apps manage to move seamlessly between different screens? Like tapping on an item and then taking you to the item details. And then when pressing back, it takes you back one by one. Hello everyone, I'm Rakibul Islam and today we're going to talk about the basics of Flutter navigation and routing. In this tutorial, we'll talk about how Flutter handles the flow between different parts of your app. Navigator works like a stack. When you navigate from one page to another, it makes a stack of screens. It's like adding a new screen on top of previous screens. And when you press the back buttons, it's like removing the top item from the stack. Alright, let's see how we can make our app move from one screen to another. Here we have two screens, the main screen and a second screen. When you press a button on the main screen, it will take you to the second screen. On the second screen, another button will bring you back to the main screen. So on the first page, with this navigation.push sending you to the second screen and making a stack of screens. And by pop, it's removing the top screen from the stack. This was one way. We have another way to do the same thing, which is named routing. Here we can simply add the page inside the material app with a unique name. Then in the on tab we can add like this navigator.push named. It will do the same thing, but named routes are beneficial for a more organized approach to navigation. In the next video, we'll talk more about navigation and routing. If you like this video, you can subscribe my YouTube channel and also you can follow me on Facebook.